Potato Chip and I are making an origami fold or cascading book. I started with 5 sheets of 8-inch square paper. I am going to fold that in half and then fold it in half the other direction. So you have this T-fold in your paper. Then you're going to flip it over and fold it diagonally. Then you take those corners, tuck them in to make a tiny little sandwich, and repeat on all of your sheets of paper. By having an odd number of sheets, that ensures that your covers will be facing the same direction. Then I'm going to glue out one of the squares that does not have the diagonal fold and place an opposing square over that. So I'm going to repeat that pattern, and what it is one is opening facing you, the other one's facing the back, and just repeat that with the rest of the sheets. It should all fold up fairly nicely and expand into a cascading origami fold booklet.